Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing great. Today, I'm going to show you how to retouch an image for a YouTube thumbnail using Photoshop. This method is simple, effective, and perfect for beginners. First, open your image in Photoshop. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate the layer. Now, go to the toolbar and select the Spot Healing Brush tool. Use it to remove pimples, spots, and unwanted hair from the face. After that, select the Patch tool and clean any remaining unwanted areas to get a smooth result. Step 2. Skin smoothing and eye retouching. Next, select the Mixer Brush tool, set Wet to 4, Load to 75, and Mix to 90. Choose a white color and gently paint over the skin for smooth retouching. Now create a Curves adjustment layer, add a clipping mask, and press Ctrl-I to invert it. Zoom into the image, select a white brush with low opacity, and paint on the eye white area to brighten it naturally. Then create a hue saturation layer, select the eye color, add a clipping mask, invert it using Ctrl-I, and paint on the eyeball to enhance the eye color. Step 3. Change clothes color. Select the Quick Selection tool and carefully select the clothes of the subject. Create a solid color layer and change the blending mode to multiply. Now create a new curves layer, hold Alt and clip it to the solid color layer. Adjust the curves until the color looks natural and realistic. After that, select the subject layer, hold Shift, select the top layer, group them, and convert the group into a smart object. Step 4. Apply Camera Raw Filter. Go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter. Adjust the color, brightness, contrast, clarity, and gradients to give your thumbnail a professional look. And that's it. Your YouTube thumbnail image is ready. This is the before and after result. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and